calloc, malloc, realloc in unit 2. Correct? Where we have seen this. Yes. The advantage of pointers is dynamic memory allocation. Why? Because pointer defines the location. Correct? Location means which memory you are going to see. Correct? Yeah. So pointer defines location. Location means pointer comes into your mind. Correct? So location means defining the address. Correct? So dynamic memory allocation means correct. So int of a of 10 which is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Say for an example. Okay, this is one example of array int a of 10 equal to 1, 2 and 3. But the given bytes is 10. The given size is 10. Okay, so say for example you have 10. Consider this is 10 blocks. Okay, but the value which is given as 1, 2, 3. Only 3 values is given, but the size index which is given as 10. So what will happen is only these 3 will occupy and these remaining will be wasted. Correct? So only the first 3 will be occupied and the remaining 7 will get wasted. In order to overcome these, we are introducing 3 functions. One is how to arrange or how to avoid the wastage of resources. They are going for malloc, calloc and realloc. Right? Before going to that, you know what is the integer byte value? One integer is 2 bytes. Okay, so how many bytes is actually here? The size is 10. Correct? How many bytes? 10 into 2 which is equal to 20 bytes. If it is a character, okay, so your thing is 10 into 1 equal to 10 bytes. Like this it will allocate based on the data types. Right? Okay. So first we are going to see what is malloc. Right? How to overcome this wastage of resources, that is block. Okay, we are going for malloc, calloc and realloc. So first is malloc. So malloc, there will be a big drawback is there because it allocates a single block of requested memory. Able to understand? A single block of requested memory, that means, say for an example, you have int a10 which is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here which will be divided into blocks, right? Multiple blocks. But in case of malloc, there is no multiple blocks will be there. All the items will be arranged randomly over here. Okay, so this single block of, so 15 into 2. So our size is 15. Okay, so I have given the size is 15. Okay, and 2 is your integer type. So totally 30 bytes can occupy over in a single structure. Okay, and this syntax is malloc. Okay, the syntax is malloc number into size of int. Okay, so your number is 15. Okay, the size of int what we are going to give, that will be your size. Right, so there will be a drawback. Why? Because the numbers are arranged randomly over here and this will lead to wastage of resources. In order to overcome this, we are going for calloc. Okay, so calloc allocates multiple blocks of requested memory. Okay, so what it will do? So calloc, the format is number, size of int, 15 comma size, right? So 3, 12, 13, this is what I have given. So what it will do is, suppose the given block is 15. Okay, so 15 digits will be there in the blocks, each and everything is placed. Okay, but the size of the array is 15. But I have given only 3 values, 3, 12, 13. Right, so what it will do, it will occupy only these 3, okay, and it will produce the size of the bytes. How many bytes actually? Why it is 6? Because this is one integer, this occupies 2 bytes. This is second integer occupies 2. So 3 into 2, totally 6 bytes. Okay, so it will occupy only 6 bytes and the remaining bytes it won't use. Okay, so this will not get wasted. Okay, so it will be used for efficient resource usage. This calloc. Correct? So it will occupy only these three and it will produce only 6 bytes to accommodate your number of bytes. Right? And next is realloc. What is this realloc is? Suppose if I want to change the size from 15 to 30 or from 15 to 10, I can increase the size or also I can decrease the size. Okay, are you able to understand? Here the size is 15, the number of blocks is 15. If I want to reduce this number of blocks to 10, I can use this realloc. If I want to increase 15 to 30, I can use this realloc. Okay, the syntax is realloc p comma 30 into size of p. Okay, so p is nothing but your variable. Okay, so the p is initially defaultly which is given as, what is the size here? Say for example, total size 15 blocks is there. Okay, so give this p value, okay, comma 30. This means the 15 is changed to 30. Size which is increased from 15 to 30. Okay, so by using realloc, I can increase the block size or I can decrease the block size based on our memory request. Right? Okay, so this is your dynamic memory allocation. In this allocation, we have seen these three functions. Correct? Anyhow, you are going to use this malloc, realloc in your lab. Right? And you have to know the syntax of these.